Today we're gonna have a short tutorial, but a really important one. It's getting close to the warm summer months, so you're probably gonna wanna have some sleeveless outfits, sleeveless tops. And if your pattern is a lined one, you know, you don't have bands, so how do you make it sleeveless? Well, I'm gonna show you with a method called the burrito roll. You've probably heard about it before. I'm gonna show you how it's done. So, I have this really cute embroidery print available at MLA, printed on heavy double brush poly. And so, for this bodice, it is a lined scoop back. So I'm gonna take my front and back pieces, I'm gonna lay them both sets right sides together. And on both of these, I'm gonna sew the shoulder seams. All right, now that you have those shoulder seams done, you're gonna wanna open up one of these bodices, open up the other one, and lay them both right sides together, matching up the front neckline and the back neckline. And I am going to pin it at the shoulder seams. You can put as many pins in as you want, but this is where I like to pin. And then you're going to sew this neck opening. Now that you've sewn that neck opening, take the top layer and bring it all in to that neck opening. Push it all in. And that makes everything go right side out. Now that you've turned it right sides out, you are going to start on one side, doesn't matter which side, and start rolling everything up towards the other side. I'm going to stop right about there, and then I'm going to go to one of these corners. I'm going to take the top layer and the bottom layer. I'm going to pull the bottom layer downward so that it's laying flat underneath. Do it all the way down. Keep that rolled part in the middle, and then take one of those sides, bring it over so that they're right sides together. You're gonna make sure that everything is stuffed in there. I like to put a pin right here where these shoulder seams are. And you are going to sew this arm curve. Once you have sewn that arm side, open up one of the sides, grab that rolled up fabric and start gently pulling, and it will pull it through. And you have one side done. So straighten everything out. Now take the side that you have just sewn and start rolling it up again towards the other side, just like we did a minute ago. We're going to do the same thing where we're going to open up the side, making sure that our rolled part stays rolled up and in the middle. And we're going to fold down everything. Make sure that that inside is pushed out of the way, and sew this other curve. You have sewn this arm side, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to open up one end and pull that rolled up part through. Straighten everything out. Now both arm sides are done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to bring our front down on top of our back. We are going to go over here to one of the sides. Here are my sides. Look for those two side seams. Here's one, here's two. Put them together like this and straighten out the fabric. Two pieces go down, right sides together. Two pieces go up so that it makes a straight line. I'm going to put a pin right here on those side seams, and then I'm going to go over here to the other side and do the same thing. I'll take these sides, make sure that the seams are lined up, and open it up so that everything is straight. So you can see that we've just lifted up the top, and on the back it's also lifted up. It should look like a rectangle. I'm going to put clip. And so from here, we are going to sew down these two side edges. Once you have sewn the two side seams, go ahead and pull the top layer down so that the right side of the fabric is facing out, and just straighten everything out. And there is your finished sleeveless lined bodice. And from here, you finish the rest of the garment. Very easy. Once you do it a few times, you'll be so fast at it. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.